Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you stopped by to spend some time with me today. And if you are brand new, hi, welcome. My name is Barbara. I'm Bling Girl here on YouTube. I do fashion decor and more. Today I have a 23rd Drapefit to share with you guys. All right, let's get right into this. If you are not familiar with Drapefit, they're an online styling service. You go online, you fill out a style profile of your likes, your dislikes, and your budget. And of course, your stats. And a stylist is chosen for you, curates 5 items, sends them to the privacy of your home. So you can beat those gas prices. You don't have to stand in those long mall lines, right? Yeah. And I also have a $25 credit if you are brand new to Drapefit and you would like to give them a try. And they have a budget for everybody. They style men, women, children of all sizes. Okay, well, let's go. All right, so what you first get in your kit is you get a little pamphlet of who Drapefit is, and that's all in the back of how it works, front, back. You get a stylist note, and you get a pricing sheet in this cute little envelope. So I love that. All right, so they sent me 5 items, and they also send you a prepaid mailer to mail everything back that you don't want, and you have 3 days to try everything. Okay, let's start. All right, so as I go through the items, I am going to share the prices. Unfortunately, this is not a try-on because none of these things fit me, and yeah, it's a bummer, but they don't. So, all right, so, and if you keep all, you get 25% off too, okay? So the first thing we're gonna go through is this women printed tie boho top, size 12, large, red, $34.99. So it's this one right here. And I think it's really, really cute. I was so bummed it didn't work for me because I love this color. They're calling this red. I will describe this as more like a red orange, okay? So this is really, really pretty. I love the little tie on it, but it does not fit me. I need one size bigger. And unfortunately, they don't have it. I did reach out already. Oh, bummer, right? That's okay. So I'm normally a size 12. I'll have all my stats listed as well down in the description box for you guys, but I have a larger chest, so, and muscular arms. So I always try to do, I do tell my stylist if it's a fabric that is not stretchable to size up, and that's what she did. So it's not her fault, but it's really pretty, and I love that boho aesthetics to it. It's a beautiful, I'm pretty sure this is polyester. But I'll let you know. Yes, it's a size large, 100% polyester. So I need an extra large and it will fit fine. But I mean, it's saying a large, but I don't know, it's really pretty. And for $34.99, I don't know. I think that's a little pricey, but it is really cute though. All right. So unfortunately, that has to go back. The next thing is this really cute leopard print puff sleeve top, size 10, large, sand color, $28.99. And this is polyester as well, I believe. I'll just check the fabric content for you guys. I believe it's polyester. Yes, 100% polyester. This is by BB. This is really cute as well. I love the little detail on the sleeves. I think that's really cute. And I did try all of these on, guys. They just don't work for me. So I do, like, anytime I'm gonna get a top that's like a polyester, I always have to go up a size, but I'm gonna have to go online and fix my style profile. But it is really cute. Well, my fit profile, right? It is really cute, and for the price, I think this is a good price, $28.99. I think that's a good price. Okay, the next thing are these jeans. Now, these are by Lee. I never tried Lee jeans before, so I was really happy to get these. These don't fit either. These are too tight. So this is a Lee Sculpting Slim Fit jean. I'm not really into the slim cut. If it's a slim boot cut, maybe a slim flare, but I don't really like slim fits. I like more like a skinny leg. I know they're not in style, but you know what? I don't care. I mean, they're not on trend, but I don't care. This girl's not giving up her skinny jeans. So these are a size 12 color dark blue, and they're called the Slim Fit Slim Leg Mid-Rise Sculpting Jean, and these are going for $35.99. My husband told me that Lee is a really good brand, and he used to wear, I mean, he has a lot of Lee jeans, and I think that's a good price for Lee. I do like the stretchable waistband, but these just don't fit me. They're just too tight everywhere. I could not wait to get them off. So, and they have more of a manly fit to them. Nah, like you know, like a straight up and down fit, and they're just way too tight. They're just not my size. So unfortunately, I can't try these on either. As you could see, the wash, and they're not, you know, they're just tight all over on me, and I can't try these on anymore. I love the pocket placement though, but they just, I mean, I don't know, they're called Sculpting jeans, but yeah, so unfortunately these don't work for me, but, and I can't try those on. All right, the next thing, I really like this. I was really bummed by this, but this is a plus size V-neck maxi dress, 14W1X. I'm not a 1X. Now, I did on my style profile, on my fit profile, I did say that like a lot of dresses they were sending me were in a size 12 and they just didn't fit me well. Well, maybe that's why they did this, but this is the second time I got a plus size dress that is huge. It does not work for me. This is a black color, $29.99. It's a very soft fabric, very beautiful pattern. I do love this. I did reach out. They're gonna see if they can put it in my next fit box. If they can, you know, if they can find it in my size. This is 95% polyester and 5% spandex. You can wash with cold water, but I wouldn't do that. I would do machine and just not dry it. But it's very, very long. I love the slit. This is this is Moo Moo Gone Wild. Yeah, Moo Moo Gone Wild. This is a huge, I mean huge on me. But you know, plus ladies are beautiful, so they show off those curves, right? But this does not work for my curves and does not work for my body type. It's just too big, way too big on me. So I would need this like 2 sizes down. 2 sizes down I would need. But yeah, this is beautiful for you know, I don't like that word. I'm sorry. I'm not a plus size girl, but I don't like how they say plus size, because to me every woman is beautiful, so I'm gonna say voluptuous. Okay? They have voluptuous curves. And this is really cute. But it's V-neck. It's really comfortable. It would have been perfect for summer. So maybe I'll get it in my next box in a size 12, but not a 14. So unfortunately, this did not work for me either. And I really, guys, I was just going to send this box back and not even show it. But, you know, I wanted you guys to see what I got. Okay. The next thing is floral printed V-neck tie top, size 12, large blue, $32.99. This is way too hot for the summer, and it's way too tight. So this is yeah, it's like a real pretty bluish pattern. It has like these I don't know what you call that on the, it makes it, I mean the sleeve's longer, but it's like, I don't know if it's elastic No, it's not elastic. I don't know what that is, but there's elastic on the arm. But yeah, and this is lined. Yep, this is lined. So, you know, it does have a liner. So it is cute, but not for me. It's just too tight. So, and I don't get it. I don't get it. So guys, unfortunately, I can't try any of these things on. The dress is humongous on me. I look like I said, it's Moo Moo gone wild. And I think a Moo Moo is really pretty if it's in your size. It's like a caftan dress, right? That's how I would, like I would describe that. And I even thought, okay, what if I belt it? What if I tie the side? It's way too big for me. Nothing works. The leopard print puff sleeve top, that was cute, but it doesn't fit me. None of these things fit. Either it's too small or too big. So if you purchase all, you'll receive 25% off discount when you purchase all products, okay? Your subtotal is, my subtotal is $162.95. You purchase all, you get $40.74 off. Order subtotal would be $122.21. I don't have sales tax, so it'll be $122.21. I get a discount because I'm affiliated with Drapefit, and so it would be $102.21. Let me see. What does that say? I'm going to get my eyes checked. I'm going to get my eyes checked because I think I need new readers. I'm not sure, and I don't even have my readers near me. $122.21. So yeah, it'll be $102, I believe. Oh gosh. Yeah, so 22, you minus 20. Yeah, so it'll be 102. Oh my gosh. All right. Anyway, guys, I'm sorry. I couldn't try nothing on, but that was my 23rd fit. I'm gonna return this really quick so I'm able to get another one for you guys, and I'm gonna go online and change my profile. I couldn't get on their website, so I'm hoping. But let me read this note before we go, okay? It says, "Hey Barbara, it's Paulette, and I am styling your 23rd fit box for you. I picked out a pair of light yellow hyper stretch casual jeans." Okay, those jeans are not yellow. Those jeans are blue. Maybe I got the wrong box. You know what? Now let me see, does this say my name? Yeah, it says hello Barbara. Light yellow. No, those jeans aren't yellow. Those jeans, I mean, light yellow would have been beautiful. I love that color, like a lemon yellow, because they actually sent me, and I like a jegging style if it's like a crop one, because they sent me a beautiful lemon top that I absolutely love. And yeah, and that would look really pretty with those, but unfortunately they're not here. Okay, so I picked out a pair of light yellow hyper stretch casual jeans that can be paired with either the sand leopard print puff sleeve top that would look really pretty with yellow, the red printed tie boho top definitely with yellow, or be bold and try it with the blue floral printed v-neck top. It would go with yellow, but I don't know. I also added a black and white printed sleeveless maxi dress. I hope you are delighted, and I can't wait to read your feedback. Yeah, I was. But unfortunately, Paulette, if you're watching this, I'm not a size 14W. For that dress, I would be, I would even think a 10. I would even think a 10. So I'm going to change my profile. I think what I did is I think I put an extra large on my profile, but I'm not sure. I don't know. So unbelievable. But yeah, light yellow jeans would have been really nice. All right, guys, until next time, keep it real, keep looking up. God has all the answers, and make it a great day. And if life gives you lemons, make some lemonade. I'll be on here real soon. Bye.